We're Costco guys. Of course we go shopping while eating a chicken bake.
We're Costco guys. Of course we had to try the new double chunk chocolate cookie.
We're Costco guys. Of course we have to try out the furniture.
We're Costco guys. Of course we work out with the tires.
We're Costco guys. What the heck is this thing?
We're Costco guys. Of course we look at every TV in the place every time we come in.
We're Costco guys. Of course we get the sample even though we bought the thing the last 3 times we were here.
We're Costco guys. Of course we cool off in the milk fridge.
We're Costco guys. I'm still eating my chicken bake.
We're Costco guys. Of course we throw paper towels. We're Costco guys. Of course we need 13.5 pounds of meat.
We're Costco guys. If these things are out, we're gonna throw them.
We're Costco guys. Let's see how many Squishmallows I can pick up at one time.
We're Costco guys. Of course I gotta try out the office chair.
This thing's good.